Hey, what's up, noders? Welcome back to the 3-minute node. We're cutting the filler to nail the closest possible automatic A1111 replication in ComfyUI, including the high-resolution fix. We need 2 custom nodes and a special trick for the upscale pass. Let's make this under 3 minutes, no bullshit. 1. Setup and foundation. First, make sure you have an image generated by automatic A1111. The metadata, the prompt, seed, sampler, etc., is stored right in that PNG file. Install the Blender Nico and Inspire Pack custom nodes. Clear your workspace. Drag and drop your automatic A1111 PNG onto the canvas. This builds our initial workflow: load checkpoint, VAE decode, and an empty K-sampler node. 2. The automatic A1111 base pass. For the initial generation, we need the custom nodes to ensure an exact first pass match. Delete the standard clip text encode nodes. Add advanced clip text encode from Blender Nico 2 times. Connect the clip from the checkpoint to both. Crucially, change the weight interpretation on both nodes to automatic A1111. Delete the default K-sampler node. Add the K-sampler Inspire. Set the noise mode to GPU equals automatic A1111. Transfer the seed, steps, CFG, and other parameters. Three. The high-resolution fix pass and limitation. Now for the second pass, simulating high-resolution fix using the upscale model method. We need the 2-clip encode outputs from the first pass to condition the upscale K-sampler node. Add a second K-sampler node and an upscale model loader node. Connect them to perform the upscale. Important limitation: the automatic A1111 PNG only stores the base parameters. The exact second K-sampler settings used for the high-resolution fix pass are not embedded. Therefore, the final high-resolution result will be a very close match, but not pixel-for-pixel identical. 4. Comparison and conclusion. Add a load image node and load the original automatic A1111 PNG. View the original next to our final high-resolution output. We have achieved a very close result to the automatic A1111 hires fix. That's the essence. By matching the prompt weighting and noise generation, we get the closest possible high-resolution replica. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.